Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to restrict editing. That is, you can lock some of lines or paragraph for any particular purpose so that no one can edit it. How we can do this? Let's see. Suppose I have written some text on my screen. You can see I just want some restrictions. Suppose I'm going to select these two paragraphs. I just want the rest of the paragraph, unselected paragraph should be restricted, and these two selected paragraph should be editable by anyone. For that I have to just click on review tab. Under review tab you can see the protect group and you have to select this restrict editing option. Once you select it, you will get a dialog box. From this dialog box, suppose I am going to select this option, editing restriction. Allow only this type of editing in document. Suppose you want to create read only, then by default it is read only. Otherwise, you can select any one of them. That is, if you want comments, that is, after restriction you can give the comments to your restricted part also, but I want just read only. And next is exceptions. I'm going to select here everyone. That is, I just want the restriction for everyone, so I have to select this option. Last is yes, start enforcing protection. I have to click here. Now it is asking for password. I have to set the password, enter password, re-enter password to come. I'm going to select 123 123 and click OK. Now you can see this is highlighted portion. This is not highlighted. Suppose I want to change something here. See, I'm not able. I just want to type. I'm just pressing keys, but I'm not able to write anything. Suppose I want to select this document. I just want to change my font style and color, but I'm not able. You can see this is disabled right now. I can't change anything in this paragraphs. But if you see on these two paragraph, I can change anything. I just want to write something here. SD college. Suppose I write SD college. I'm able to write in these two paragraphs. But below these paragraph, I'm not able. I can do anything. Suppose I want to select it. I want to bold it. I want to change the size of it. I can do anything, whatever I want. But these are not editable. Suppose I don't want this highlighted portion. I can click here, highlight the reason I can edit this. Now you can still edit it, but it will not highlight the portion. If you click here, it is showing highlight the reasons I can edit. So you can edit the highlighted portion only this time. If you want to remove the restriction, then you have to select here stop protection. Again it will ask the password. Type the password 123 and click OK. Now I can change this also. I can edit, I can select it. I can keep my text bold, change the size and so on. Now I just want to remove all these type of selection and restriction. Just click unselect, deselect, and now I'll get my original text. Now come to next point. Suppose again I am going to select this portion and again I have to select the restriction. This time I want formatting restriction. By default it restricted some formatting and it allow some formatting. Let's see. I just want the read only file. Click here and click here, third step, yes, start enforce protection. Now it is asking password. Suppose this time I have to write 5678, 5678 and click OK. Now the highlighted portion can be edited by anyone. You can edit it and rest you can't edit. Suppose I just want to edit my text. I am going to select home tab. You can see this is disable part, but this is enable part. By default, some of the features are disable and some of the features are enable. I can just select anything like I want to set the style, this style, this style. I can select it. If you want to restrict this also, you can restrict it. But firstly, you have to stop the previous restriction, stop protection, give the same password that you type earlier and it will stop. Now, suppose I want something else, that is, I just want this text should be editable, but this time I just want to change some settings. Say, suppose I just want in the heading part, suppose heading is H, this one. I just deselect header, heading 1 style, heading 2 style. I just want that in restriction or in the style group, I just deselect these option and click OK. And I have to click no. Now select it. I want to read only, or you can select this option comment, and I just want for everyone and click to this option, give the password 345 345. You can type any password, click OK. Now my restriction is implemented on my document. Firstly, I'll see I can't change it because there are restriction, but I can give the comment here. Suppose I want to write something here, online course. I can give the comment here because I selected comment part, active comment part, and you can't change anything else. Suppose I have to just click here. I just want to close it. Click here, show comment. It will close. It will show this small box. It means this paragraph, this line contain some comment. Now see, if I want to change the style of this paragraph, so how I can change it? Click on this home tab. Under the home tab, you can see the style group. In this style group, if you see, there is no heading 1 and heading 2 because I deselected earlier when I just changed the setting of formatting. There is no such heading 1 and heading 2, else everything is here. Now suppose I just want to stop this type of protection, stop it, and I have to give the password. My password was 345. Click OK. Now again I want some formatting. I want to just change all the formatting. I have to just select all and click OK. No, and just click here again. Give the password 123 121 sorry, it's 12, and I have to type again. Click OK. Now you can see heading 1 is also there, heading 2 is there because I selected all the formatting. But these are still disabled. You can't change these two options. So in this way, you can protect your document. You can protect selected portion of your text. If you don't want this selected portion, just click here. Now it will look like a normal text. So in this way, I can restrict editing to my document. That's it for this video.